Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and you are back in my kitchen with me today. We have another segment in Viewers' Voices. The first one is we'll call the produce bag hack. Priesteres, I don't know how to say her last name, so I'm not even going to attempt it, but it starts with an M. And she said, thank you for this great tip. I finally bought some of those rubber gripper squares like this, and I have one like this that you open jar lids with, and I started carrying one in my purse. It works great. Let's see. This bag from this grocery store has the open up here, so you don't have to go to the bottom and then you're all messed up. So I'm just going to take this. You can't see anything. All I'm going to do, you watch my thumb. You open it up. And it opens. Now I had a thought, if you buy one, because these are pretty cheap, and you cut it like a little teeny piece out of it, maybe an inch or so, then that's all you have to carry around in your purse. Or if you have a big enough purse, you can carry this whole big thing. So that's the first one. The second one is from Kerr. You might want to invest in the kind of funnel used for home canning. And they have a wide mouth, and they fit into most jars. Much neater and easier for me. I use it for decanting all sorts of things, wet or dry, into jars. Can you see how big that hole is? It's pretty large, and you can see how it comes down on either side. This is the wide mouth. This is the one I usually use. I really want to thank you, Kathy, for that, because I've been using this wide mouth funnel, and I also use it for my ketchup, because I was getting stuff poured all over the place with that. It made it much easier with this. This is on from the Pickled Vegetables video. And here's the comment from Campbell. And she says, everything looks yummy and she's going to try it. But she was just thinking if she could grate the vegetables. So I thought, I'll just do it and see what happens. I went to my recipe, and you use the things that I have here. This is the sweetener and the salt. I put in the water, now I'm going to put in the vinegar. And then stir it well, and everything should be mixed up nicely. Start to load up this jar. I'm going to put the onions at the bottom, and this is daikon, so I'm going to put in some of this. Then I'm going to put in some carrot. And then this is the last thing, which is cucumber. And I use the big English cucumber. I think that's enough. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. I mean, just think about a salad. When you grate your vegetables for salad, like your onions and your cucumbers and carrots, they work very well. This is just going to stay in the refrigerator for a few hours, and then they will absorb the taste. But it does work. I think it looks nice, and I hope, Pat, you'll give me a comment on whether or not this worked for you and if it was helpful. So don't forget to smile and leave me a comment. Don't forget to, I haven't said this in so long, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Bye.